Hello guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be installing a hitch on my GX. I bought it on Amazon and it was really cheap. It's a brand called Magnuson, or it was something like 60 something or $70. I'll post the link in the description. It looks to be the exact same dimensions as the Curt hitch. Exact same design, everything exactly the same. So I'm assuming that it's possible this company probably buys the hitches from the same factory or manufacturer that Curt buys theirs from. So another reason is I know that the Curt on some of the GXs needs an adapter plate, a little spacer, and because it wouldn't clear once I test fitted it. It wouldn't clear the bumper cover, so I ordered the adapter plate, and they actually didn't charge me for it because I told them I have a hitch, it's not clearing the adapter, it's not clearing the bumper. So they're like, okay, we'll send you the adapter plate. I'm like, okay, how much will it cost me? And then they said, we won't charge you anything for it. So they just sent it out to me. They probably thought it was one of theirs, a Curt. So, but anyways, I'll show you guys the adapter plate that they sent me, and they also sent 4 longer bolts with that adapter plate. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do the install with you guys, show you how to do it. It's really easy, and this one is rated the same as the Curt. It's about 5,000 pounds. So I mean, obviously these aftermarket ones can't take advantage of the full 6,500 towing capacity that the car can do, but 5,000 is okay for me for now. So now let me show you the parts that I'm going to use and the tools and everything required to get it installed. Okay guys, so you're looking at the hitch that I bought. It's called Magnuson. As you can see, it sticks out very little, just like the Curt when it's installed, compared to all the other brands. The mounting holes, everything matches the Curt one. So like I said, these guys probably get it from the same factory as Curt. This one comes with these bolts. However, when you call Curt and order a little spacer plate, you will get these longer bolts. And as you can see, this matches 100% to the Curt mounting holes. It's like identical. So 99% sure they use the same factory, same manufacturer. And all we need today is just some wrenches, sockets. I like to use this PB blaster just to clear out the holes in case there's any sand or dirt, debris. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned, and this should be a quick one. Alright you guys, first things first, we gotta lower the spare tire down. It's not gonna work with the spare tire all the way up, so we're gonna have to loosen it a little bit. We gotta get our tools out of here, and you need this right here to pop off the little plastic right here. There we go. And in case if you guys haven't ever assembled this to lower this, spare tire down, I'll show you how to do that right now. This is the first piece you need. This is the top piece. This is the next piece. Slide it in just like that. Loosen this so it can slide in. There we go. Tighten it a little bit. And one more straight piece. This is the end piece basically. You see there's no tightening screws on this. Slide this in. Alright. And you insert it here at an angle. I'll show you guys. If you look at it, there's a little hole right in there. So it's at an angle, it's not perfectly straight. Stick it in. Let me see. There we go. You'll feel it snap in. Just turn it until it snaps in, until it goes in. And then you just turn. Alright, you guys. You just turn it a few turns just to make it a little loose. And that's all you need. You don't need to let it down all the way. Alright, I got my bolts. I got my washers. I got my adapter plate. I've got my 19mm socket and wrench, and the tire has been lowered and we're ready to begin. Alright, you guys, first of all, let's spray down the holes and clean them out so we can make sure there's no debris or whatever in there. Get your shop towel so it doesn't leak all over the floor. You're gonna use the bigger holes because there's small holes too, but you're gonna use the bigger holes and they're offset. So alright, I sprayed that down. Let's wipe this up so I don't get any drips. Alright, now let's see how this is gonna work out. I think I need to grab the plate and the hitch at the same time. And maybe I'll grab one of the bolts like so, and then okay, that didn't work so well. Take two. All right. Let's see if I can screw this in just by hand, just a little bit. Alright, so far so good. And I'm gonna grab one more bolt. And where's that hole? There we go. And I'm just tightening it by hand as well. Now I am gonna grab a torque wrench at the end and get it as high as my torque wrench setting will go. Alright, now I'm gonna start on the other bolts. This is probably gonna be the easiest install I've ever done. They don't all go this fast. Alright, got that one. And I got this one. Alright, I'm gonna go and get my impact driver just to tighten these up a little faster. Alright you guys, I got the impact. I'm gonna support this up and tighten one, make sure I got it in the right place, and then tighten the rest. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna do one on the opposite side right here, and then another one on the opposite side, and another one here. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys my new torque wrench that I got. I have a higher capacity torque wrench, but the one that I just got, I want to test it out. So okay, so this is my new torque wrench. It's called eTorque. It's a 3/8 drive. Got it on Amazon, obviously, and it's really nice. Looks like it's good quality. It goes up to 100 pound-feet. I know I should tighten the bolts on this a little more, which I will off camera, but I just want to test this out because I haven't tried it yet. So apparently you hit this, and then right now it's set at 20. That's how it comes in, and you pull this out, twist it. I'll show you guys. Pull this out. So I'm going to set it to the max, which is 100. Alright you guys, I set it to 95. I didn't want to go all the way to 100. So let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is a click type. It doesn't beep at you. Alright, so we got one. Alright. And let's see if I can do the back one. Nope, I need an extension. Alright you guys, I got a little extension. I heard somewhere that you're not supposed to use these extensions with torque wrenches. I don't know if it's true or not. If it's true, let me know in the comments. Maybe it has to do something with accuracy, but I don't know. You guys let me know. I'm just gonna tighten this up with this for now, and I'm gonna check. I think the actual torque specs need to be about 130 or 150 or something like that, but it says it in the instructions that it came with when you bought it. Alright, and last one. Alright you guys, that's it for now. I'm gonna show you what it should look like from underneath if you have everything installed the right way. So here we go. So alright, there's your 4 bolts with the washers. This is the clearance on the spare tire. This is how much clearance you have with the spacer, and feels pretty solid, and it looks identical to the Curt, like I said. This comes with a little cover, hitch cover. I guess the M stands for Magnuson or whatever that brand is, but I'm gonna get a Lexus one. I'll put a link down in the description, and yeah, I will put a link for the torque wrench, for the Lexus hitch cover plug, and for this hitch. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to help. The video I said I was gonna do on installing the crowd control and multi-terrain select, I will hopefully do this week. It's just been raining every day. Today it was supposed to rain. It's pretty cloudy right now as well, so I don't know. I'm always in suspense waiting for it to start raining. So, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. When you finish doing that stuff, make sure you tighten your spare tire, bring it back up, and then put everything back in here, and that's it. You're pretty much done. So I wanted to show you guys how it looked installed. Can't really see it too much. Kind of blends in pretty nice. You can see it from the side, but not really from the rear. This is how much it sticks out. Really not very much at all. Here it is from the top.